Okay. Consulting is helping people make decisions. And the money that you can make, the value that you can provide is directly related to how important those decisions are that you have influence over. Now, all decisions are not created equal. Your clients, when they do something, they go through really three stages of decisions. The first is, what do I need? That's very strategic. Like, what's important to me? What do I need? Then they figure out who will we use, who will we work with. Then they tell those people what they want. And a lot of times early in our consulting career, or when we work for somebody, we only get involved at that last decision. They say, Max, can you write me this thing? That means you're a vendor and you have to bid against other vendors, and you will be replaceable, and you will not be invited to the decision maker table because it's a conflict of interest. You are selling something, and so I'm not going to ask you, hey, what should I buy? I know the answer. I should buy what you're selling. So the objective in really every stage of relationships as a consultant, sales, strategy, post strategy phase, is to get involved in decision one. If you can help people decide what to do, who to work with, how much money to spend, you are a strategic partner. Now, there's a cheat code, something that you can do to ensure that you are never vendorified, and that you are perceived as somebody that helps with decision one and two. And that is to add vendor evaluation to your services and the things that you talk about. Vendor evaluation is, hey, I know a bunch of people that can do said thing, and I can teach you how to evaluate them. Because if I can teach you how to evaluate vendors, by definition, I'm not a vendor. And so that's one way to ensure that you are never vendorified. I like to use that term. This is basically the key to how much value you can provide in your relationships, thus how much money you can make, thus how strong and your relationships will be and how long they last. It's like really important to understand. An exercise which I would encourage you to do is make a list of the most important decisions that you help your clients make. Cheers.